Welcome to JH. Have you stumbled across Aurissiah.com lately? It's that shiny online store promising trendy dresses and accessories that looks like a hidden shopping paradise at first glance. Honestly, it's so polished it's almost suspicious, and once you look closer, the cracks start appearing faster than a cheap pair of leggings. Let's look at the basics. The WHOS registration shows Aurissiah.com was created in August 2025. It's so fresh it still has that new scam smell. While every site has to start somewhere, handing your credit card to a store that's barely a month old is basically like giving your wallet to a stranger just because they have a nice haircut. Then there are the product images, high-quality, model-perfect shots that look great until you realize they were lifted straight from the internet. Originality clearly wasn't on the to-do list, right next to actually owning the inventory. It's copy-paste fashion at its finest, where the only thing they've worked hard on is their save image as technique. They even try to play it cool with customer support and a live chat feature. But try using it, and you'll find yourself staring at a lovely waiting message until the heat death of the universe. It's less of a support system and more of a digital void designed to test your patience. The mystery deepens because there's zero information about the owners, no team details, and no physical business address. It's like buying clothes from a very stylish ghost who refuses to be seen in public. Plus, a fashion brand in today's world with no Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok presence. That's not a business strategy, it's a witness protection program. They clearly don't want you to find them once things inevitably go south. The reviews are the final nail in the coffin. We checked external platforms and found exactly one review, and let's just say it wasn't a 5-star rave about the fabric quality. The customer actually had to use a recovery service to get their money back after a full-blown scam experience. That's not your typical "the delivery was late" complaint. That's a run for your life warning. On the surface, Aurissiah.com looks polished, but underneath, it's just a collection of red flags. Unless you enjoy donating your hard-earned cash to faceless websites, I'd suggest sticking to stores that actually exist in reality.